Hi everyone, it's Tam, and I am posting this video to show you a little bit of a garage clean out. My daughter Ash needed her garage cleaned out. It had been something she had been dreading. So this is to show you that with a little bit of help from someone who is willing to get in there and get it done, that you can complete a task that you have been putting off forever. We did not take a lot of time to organize shelving or anything like that this time. We just needed to haul off a bunch of trash and items from a bathroom remodel that if you have a friend to help you do that task that you're not wanting to do, it will go by a lot quicker. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this short video. Maybe we'll come back and do some more cleaning videos. I hope you're well, so stay tuned for the before and after. Thanks.